Most people get this wrong. They think Spendix is just another payment app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Spendix has grown into a versatile financial platform combining early wage access, installment payment options, and spending management tools to help you stay in control of your money. Here's how Spendix works. First, it allows you to access part of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can cover unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments with flat, predictable fees, making budgeting easier and avoiding high-interest surprises. Spendix also provides dashboards, reminders, and alerts to track spending and upcoming payments. These features help prevent missed payments and promote responsible use. The downside, overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed installments can add up, and relying too heavily on Spendix may hide deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to limit dependence on Spendix. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Spendix in 2026 is a convenient and practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical money tips.